welcome back, and thank you so much, everybody who took out their time to comment, to took out their time to watch my vlog. I know it was long, it was approximately 15 minutes, but I really do appreciate everybody's effort to watch something out of my life. So I hope if you do come across this vlog, I hope you do share and like and subscribe, and uh, don't forget to follow my Instagram handle, where I usually post more often than YouTube. Lifetime, I guess you just have to let it go and face your fears, guys. Like, if you're afraid of heights, go for that trek. If you're afraid of water, dive into that stream. If you're afraid of insects, stay in a tree house or stay in camps at night. When you really face your fears, that's when you realize that was nothing. You are capable of doing so much more. So that's how I learned, and that's how I faced my fears, to let go and enjoy the path, enjoy the journey, and the destination was just amazing. So I hope you really enjoy this one. Cut.
The trek to the waterfall in Grahan was indeed on top of my to-do list. Because of the first attempt, that was a fail. So in the second attempt, I was really excited. I wanted to soak up everything that I found. And this was the first stream that you find during the trek. And that's just me playing with water. Well, I am such a person who just loves to sit next to the river or a stream in between the jungles, just listening to the voice of the flowing rivers. And it's just so peaceful to sit here. And this is Lucy, the second dog we met on our trip. Well, she's a cute puppy, and she followed us a lot through this trek to the waterfall. And how I felt free, wild, and just living in that moment when I really wanted to see the waterfall one final time. And that's my friend, also the photographer and the videographer of this trip. And well, that's me trying to get down. So really guys, it's not an easy one. It has no such clear path, no such clear way. It is just like a way made to the waterfall. And because of my energy levels were so high, I was so um, energetic and driven to reach the waterfall. I was literally running all over the trek, trying not to fall, of course, and facing my fear of heights. So, this was when I was named the Mowgli of this trip because I prefer to cross the way, stepping on stones and jumping around in the water rather than taking the mainstream way. And just as a Mowgli was so connected to nature, I felt the same. And honestly, wait for it. The bridge was right here. And honestly, I did try. But just look at my happiness after achieving that way to cross. Say, I did try. But after all that fun, all that adventures, all that crossing rivers and streams, after a point you really get to hear the waterfall, the falling of the water echoing and gushing. And till the last moment, I tried really hard to not give up and really complete this adventure to reach the waterfall. And there it is, the Grahan waterfall. And really, guys, it was like a big benchmark, big achievement to reach that waterfall, which is just 2 hours away from the village. But the crossing of that path, the difficulties that you face, the fear of heights, the fear of water, the fear of thinking that you'll just fall down. I've never felt so much alive, so much free than what I felt when I reached here. And then there was no stepping back. I just kept on going to see the cave behind that waterfall, which was again on my bucket list. Just look at that mighty waterfall. Screaming on top of my lungs. I've never felt so alive. After a few minutes, we kind of head towards the cave, and I was the first one. It was this huge cave that we had to get in, and I was super scared, super anxious. It was just the fear of unknown. What was in this cave was such peace, such stillness, and such serenity that I could just sit here all day long. And so I drew this Om on the walls of the cave with my lipstick that I carried, just to leave a mark here, a mark of peace, a mark of happiness, and a mark of myself feeling what I really felt. It was time to go back after sitting there for a couple of hours and spending good time here inside the cave, listening to the waterfall right next to it. I felt like what an achievement I have made. It was just us and nobody there, and it was just me, the photographer, the waterfall, and the cave. I've never been happier than this before, and really all of this, and a big thanks to Pushpa auntie from Grahan who let us stay.